Hello everyone, this is Heading. In this video, I will show you how to use TI-84 to plot the sine and cosine function. So turn on your TI-84. Sometimes if you have click something like this, you don't know how to quit it, just click second mode. It shows you quit. So you will quit. And first, remember that the function we plot are always be what kind? The radians mode. So pi over 3. So we need to see if our mode is the radian mode. So yes, the radian is highlighted. So we click second mode, we quit. And so how to input the function? Click the y equals. Click here. You will see you can plot a lot of functions here. The first function we just plot as easy one, sine x. I clicked sine. X is here. Click X and then close the parentheses. Click graph. It graphs the sine X function for you. If you feel this is too small, you can click zoom in, click enter. Zoomed in or no. If it doesn't show you very the picture you like, you can click window. You can change the window size. So the window, the X value, I can start from 0. So I click 0. And then the maximum of the X, I can click 2 pi, that's 1 period. So 2 times pi, second exponent sign, 2 pi. The y's value, I can make it not that big because amplitude for the sine x is only 1. So I can click 5, try 5, delete the 0, and this one is 5. Delete the 0, and then let's hit graph. So now the graph is much better. If I want to have another function, so try cosine x, cosine, click x, close the parentheses, and then hit graph. It shows us another graph. I think if in your calculator, maybe it will give you different color, represent different functions. If I want to plot this function, let's try make it as the third function here. So 1 over 5, 1/5 times sine. This is x plus pi over 3. Click x plus pi is second exponent sign over 3. Close the parentheses and hit graph. Oh, the graph is so tiny, so it's hard to see. I can change the window. So the minimum, I can make it to negative 0.5. And then the maximum, I can make a 1, try 1. And the y minimum, I can make it smaller, like a 0.5, because this one the amplitude is very small. It's 1/5. It's just 0.5, 0.2. So the y's maximum, okay, this is negative 0.5, and the maximum make the 0.5. So let's graph. If we can see a clear graph, maybe this is the first graph, that's the sine x, and then later they graph the cosine x, and then this shows you this graph, but I still cannot see it clearly. So change the window. So maximum negative 0.5. So this one is too small. Let's try, let's just try 0 and delete just from 0. And the maximum, let's try 5 and keep the x and sorry, y minimum and y maximum here. And then what can we change a little bit more? Okay, let's see. Okay, I'd like to change my graph. So I clear the graph here. I clear the second one. I only leave the third one left. So graph it. Oh, this one is much better. It's very clear to see. Let's check my graph. Oh, sorry. Let's check the graph again. That's 1/5 times sine x plus pi over 3. So this graph is much clearer to see. So this is the way we can plot the point or just graph the function of sine and cosine. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know. Today, we learned how to graph, and later lectures or videos, I can also record some questions you have. Okay, have a good day.